Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment, that is SIMnet assignment in practice Excel 365 application Capstone Project chapter 1 to 4. We will discuss today this assignment. So in practice Excel 365 application Capstone Project 2 alternate. Here are instruction, and in instruction how many questions we have. In graded part we have, I think so, 19, 17, 18, 19. We have 19 questions, then 20, 21 and 22 are non-graded one. Okay, so in start we just download start file, then resource file. Okay, both files have been downloaded. Then after completing our project, then we move here and we have to upload there and get the result. So in today's video we discuss in practice Excel 365 application Capstone Project 2 alternate. We are working on window. For this project you complete a workbook for Blue Lake Sport by importing a text file and formulating data as an Excel table. You filter and sort data, create pivot table and build a pivot chart, insert sunbrush chart. In addition you name, arrange and build formulas. So SLOs that we have to cover in today, these are SLOs that will be covered in today project. So a file name, these are the file name that we have already downloaded. Okay, and after completing our file, our project name must be this one. Okay, what skill we will cover in today project? We will cover skills in today project are open, rename and save workbook, import a text file, format data in worksheet, copy worksheet and rename tab, create an Excel table, sort and filter the data in the table, create pivot table, create pivot chart object, edit format chart elements, size and position a chart object, create sunbrush chart sheet, name a cell range, use VLOOKUP in formula, create formula with multiple mathematical operations, build sum product formula, then set document properties page setup option. All these skills will be covered in today's project. So now we are moving toward graded part. So in graded part, steps to complete this project, mark the steps as checked when you complete them. In first part we have to open this file, okay, that we have downloaded. So first we have to open this file. It is just getting opening. Once it open, then we click on enable editing so we can able to edit that one. Click on enable editing. Then in next part we have the file will rename automatically to include your name. Yes, you may see our name is there, that is automatically renamed by my name. Then in third part we have to import the tab delimiter Blue Lake project to text file and load it to cell E19 in sheet 1. Verify that add this data label to data model box in import data dialog box is not selected before you click OK. So we just click on cell E19 of sheet 1, then click on data. There is text file we have to import. First we get data from there, that is in downloaded part. In this one, click import. Okay, from here we will just verify. In delimiter we have to use tab. Yes, it is already there in tab. Then click load to, and in load to we have to use table existing worksheet A19, and we do not have add this data model. Okay, simply press OK. Done. Then question number 3 is done. Okay, in which we have to import the data from this supporting file, and we have to in that data in A19 sheet in sheet 1. Okay, so question number 3 is done. After solving question 3, now we are moving toward question number 4. In question number 4, copy cell A22 A22C33. We have to copy the cell, then paste as formulas to D19 without formatting. D19, paste as formulas. Okay, without formatting. Done. Then in part question number 5, we have to select and delete column A to C and close queries and connection panes. Now we have to select the columns A to C, then delete them. Okay, and close query connection. This one we have to close that one. Okay, so question number 5 is done. Till now we have solved question number 5. Remember that we are solving in practice Excel 365 application Capstone Project to alternate. In start we covered just like information that what we have to do in today assignment, today project, then skills covered in this project. We just read that one, then we solve question 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. After solving question 5, now we are moving toward question number 6. Apply format to cell sheet 1. Now we have to work on sheet 1. On this sheet we have to apply format, select the range, select cell A4 to C74. So first we have to select the cell, then we have to and format the cell as an Excel table with blue table style medium 2. Format as a table medium 2, this one. Okay, then in part B we have to select A1 to A3, and there set the font size to 14 point. Now we have to change its font size to 14. Okay, then in part C we have to set the width column A to C 15. First we have to select A to C column, right click there, column width, and there we have to use 15 there. Okay, in part D question number 6 we have to select A1 to C3, then there we have to apply center across section. So there we have to apply the center across the section. So we just simply click on there. Okay, then in part E we have to scale the sheet to fit single page. Scale the sheet to single page. Yes, on single page. Then in next part, select cell A1 or press Control Home. We have to select A1, Control Home. Then, so question number 6 is done. In question number 6, we have done and we get this result. Okay. So we have to apply the center. And this one, okay. Done. So question number 6 is done. In question number 6, we have to apply a format to cell sheet 1. Okay, for that we have to work on part A, where we have to select cell E4 to C74 and format the cell as an Excel table, blue table style medium 2. Then in part B, we select cell A1 to A3 and set the font size to 14 points. Then in part C, we just set the width of column A to C 15 point. In part D, select cell A1 to C3 and center across selection. In part E, scale the sheet to fit single page. In part F, select cell A1 or press Control Home. So question number 6 is done. After solving question number 6, now we are moving toward question number 7. Rename the worksheet as a transaction. So we have to rename the worksheet in this worksheet. Okay, right click there, rename and paste that name here. Okay, so question number 7 is done, in which we have to rename the worksheet. Now we are moving toward question number 8. After solving question number 7, copy and rename worksheet. Make copy of transaction sheet at the end of the table. Okay, we have to make the copy of this. So right click there, move or copy, create copy, move to end, then simply press OK. So we have created transaction copy, move to the end. Now name the copy sheet to filter. So we just copy that one and right click or rename, paste that one. Okay. So part B is done. Now we are moving toward part C. Make another copy of transaction sheet at the end of and name it Sunbrush data. Okay, so we have to again copy this one, right click, move and copy, create copy, move to the end. Okay, now right click there or rename and paste that name. Okay, we have to, yes, this name. So question number 8 is done. In question number 8, we have to copy and rename the worksheet. In first part, we have to make a copy of transaction sheet at the end of the tab. Then name the copied sheet filter. Then make another copy of the transaction sheet at the end of and name it Sunbrush. So question number 8 is done. After solving question number 8, now we are moving toward question number 9. In question number 9, what we have to do? We have to sort and filter the data. In first part, we have to select the filter worksheet tab. In part B, sort the data in ascending order by department. Then in part C, show the total row for the table. Then in part D, filter the table to show only bike and stick data. So in this way, we will solve question 9, 10, 11, step by step, we will solve up to 19. Okay. So here is the solution sheet. You may compare that we are exactly going 100% same as we are just following instruction. So in today's video, we discuss in practice Excel 365 application Capstone Project chapter 1 to 4. In start, we just download required file and resources. After that, then we move toward where information about SLOs that we will cover, file needed and completed project. Then we just move toward skill covered in today's project. After that, then we move toward our main sheet and we have solved question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First 8 question we have done in today's assignment. Mean 50% assignment is done from my side, because in graded part we have just 18 questions. Out of 18 questions we have done first 9 questions. Mean 50% assignment is done from my side in today's video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me. on my WhatsApp number, my email ID, my Instagram ID. All links are available in video description. You may contact me. I am available. I will solve, and you will get 100% marks. That's my guarantee. That's my promise that your marks will be 100% whenever I will solve your assignment. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100%. Remember that I am also expert of mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project, SIMbook project, Power BI project, SQL project. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks. Remember that I am going to give biggest opportunity for every client that first you get the result of your assignment, then you pay me. In this way, you will remain safe from the scammer because there are many scammers in the market who took the payment from the client, but they didn't solve their assignment. So from my side, that's a opportunity that first you get the result of your assignment, then you pay me. Our payment will be reasonable, so you can easily afford that one. And you will remain safe and you will get A grade 100% marks. So in today's video we discuss in practice Excel 365 application capstone project chapter 1 to 4 advanced. We have done almost 50 to 55% assignment in today's video. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Take care, bye bye, best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment. Again, remember that here is also my WhatsApp number and my email ID. You may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks. We will meet soon with our next assignment.